If you're new to Wise and you've heard about something called a referral reward but don't really know what it is or how it works, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain everything in very simple terms. Even if you have never used Wise before, never sent money, and don't have any bank account linked, you'll still understand how the Wise referral system works by the end of this video. So first, let's understand what a Wise referral reward actually is. Wise is an international money transfer service, and to grow their user base, they reward people for inviting new users. When someone shares their Wise referral link and another person signs up using that link, Wise gives a reward. Most of the time, this reward is either a free international transfer, up to a certain amount, or a cash bonus, depending on your country and Wise's current offer. Now let's talk about who can get a referral reward. There are two people involved. The first person is the one who already has a Wise account and shares their referral link. The second person is the new user who signs up using that link. Usually, the person who shares the link gets the main reward, but in some cases, the new user also gets a benefit, like a free transfer. The exact reward can change over time, but the process remains almost the same. Next, let's see how you can find a Wise referral link. If you already have a Wise account, you simply log in to the Wise app or website. After logging in, you go to the menu section and look for something like Invite Friends, Refer and Earn, or Get Rewards. Once you open that section, Wise will show you your personal referral link. This is the link you can share with others. Now let's talk about what the new user needs to do. If someone clicks on your Wise referral link, they will be taken to the Wise sign-up page. They need to create a Wise account using their email address or phone number. During sign-up, Wise may ask for basic details like name and country. At this stage, no bank account is required to be linked, so even beginners can easily create an account. After signing up, the new user usually needs to complete one qualifying action. In most cases, this means making their first international money transfer. Wise normally sets a minimum transfer amount for the referral to count. Once that transfer is completed successfully, Wise confirms that the referral conditions are met. Now, here's an important point many people miss. The referral reward is not instant. Wise takes some time to verify the transfer and process the reward. This can take a few days or sometimes longer. Once approved, the reward will appear in the Wise account of the person who shared the referral link. It may show as a balance credit, a free transfer credit, or a reward notification. If you want to check your referral status, you can go back to the Invite Friends or Referral section in your Wise account. There, you can see how many people signed up using your link and whether their referral is pending, completed, or rewarded. Also, keep in mind that Wise referral rules can vary by country and can change over time. Some countries allow cash rewards, while others offer free transfers. Wise also sets limits on how many referral rewards you can earn in a year. So to summarize in simple words, you get a Wise referral reward by sharing your referral link, someone signs up using that link, they complete the required transfer, and after verification, Wise gives you the reward. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides like this. If you have any questions about Wise or referrals, drop them in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.